Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain the Logitech G413 TKL SE mechanical gaming keyboard. This keyboard is designed for serious players, offering a compact Tenkeyless layout that frees up desk space. It features gaming-grade tactile mechanical switches, providing a noticeable bump for precise feedback. The durable PBT keycaps are heat and wear assistant, ensuring a premium feel and lasting performance. Plus, the crisp white LED backlighting enhances clarity and concentration during your gaming sessions. When it comes to performance, the G413 TKL SE truly shines. It offers 6-key rollover with anti-ghosting, ensuring every command registers accurately, even during the most frantic gameplay. The keyboard is built to last, featuring a sturdy black-brushed aluminum top case made from aircraft-quality 5052 low-carbon alloy. Its tactile switches provide an actuation distance of 1.9 millimeters and an actuation force of 50 grams, delivering responsive feedback. The reliable wired USB 2.0 connection guarantees consistent, lag-free input. The design of the G413 TKL SE focuses on both aesthetics and ergonomics. Its Tenkeyless form factor not only saves space, but also allows for more comfortable and natural hand position, especially for mouse movement. You'll find 12 function keys that double as media controls, offering quick access to volume and playback. The keyboard's sleek, minimalist black design with white LED lighting integrates seamlessly into any gaming or work setup. Weighing around 650 grams, it feels substantial and stable on your desk. Overall, the Logitech G413 TKL SE provides excellent value as an entry-level mechanical gaming keyboard. It's compatible with Windows 10 or later and Mac OS 10.14 or later, making it versatile for many users. While it features a wired-only USB 2.0 connection and white-only backlighting, these choices contribute to its accessible price point. With its durable build, responsive switches, and a 2-year limited hardware warranty, it's a dependable choice for gamers seeking a reliable and high-performing peripheral.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.